This week I am testing the Mazda CX-70. This is a luxury, large 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule.
The boot door of the Mazda CX-70 opens really nice and easily and quite quietly with just the touch of a button. Let's find out how the Thule Prams fit in the boot of the CX-70.
The boot of the Mazda CX-70 will hold 20 shopping bags, or the Thule sleek feature-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-70 with 10 shopping bags. The Thule sleek future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 10 shopping bags. And the Thule sleek future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-70 side by side but with 6 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 Ultimate All-Terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 8 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 Double Ultimate All-Terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 6 shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Mazda CX-70 with 12 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre, a 70-litre and 2 40-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags in the boot. Or you can put a large dog in the boot.
The interior of the Mazda CX-70 is really lovely. It's got a really nice luxury feel, really nicely designed, nice quality finish to all the surfaces, and the steering wheel feels nice in your hands too. When it comes to storage, there are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a wireless phone charging pad, and there's a 12-volt socket there too. The central console box has a dual opening lid. The glove box is a good size, that will hold my iPad with the manual, and the door bins will hold a water bottle, and an iPad fits in them easily too. There is a glasses case in the ceiling, and both the front visors have lit vanity mirrors as well. The media system in the CX-70 is on this lovely big media screen in the centre of the dash. Now, as you can see, it does have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great, so you can access your phone and apps while you're driving really nice and easily. Now, as you can see as well, it can also make this screen a touch screen, which is great because it used to only be touchscreen when you were stationary and not when you were driving, but parts of it actually still work now while you're driving as a touchscreen, which is great. Now, within here, you've got your settings, and you navigate this using the rotary dial down in the central console. You can change your audio settings there, which is great, and the sound. Go to your vehicle settings, and you can change everything in there, which is really good. Customize it to how you like it. There's built-in sat nav as well, which is fantastic. You can access your phone. Obviously, there's radio and your information, which is great. Now, when I put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and big, fills the whole screen, really nice and clear, and makes parking and maneuvering really easy. Now, you've also got your climate controls down on the dash here. You can control the rear climate from the front here as well, and you can turn it on and off and lock it as well, which is really good. Being the top spec, you have got heated and cooled front and driver and passenger seats, and you've got a heated steering wheel too. The rear doors are great in the CX-70. Not only do they open really wide, giving you really easy access in and out of the back, they've also got built-in window blinds, which are fantastic for keeping your little ones shaded from the sun while you're driving along. Storage in the back of the CX-70 is good. There are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both of the front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a really good size in the back. They will hold 2 water bottles, and an iPad fits in them too. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the CX-70, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 rear seat backs that are nice and easy to access and connect through the boot. Now, I could fit 3 child seats in the back of the CX-70, which is fantastic news. They fit really nice and comfortably across, forward or rear facing. Now, when it comes to legroom, we could fit about a 175 centimetre driver in the front of a rear-facing child seat or 186 centimetre driver in front of forward-facing. The Mazda CX-70 is a nice car to drive. It's surprisingly loud though, like a refined diesel. It's quite roary, and the engine inside and out, which is something to consider if you've got little ones that you want to get to sleep in the back. Although maybe it would lull them to sleep, you never know. Now, the ride is quite firm, but I actually quite like that about it. Visibility is good in here too. However, one thing I find is that this driver's mirror, because I'm short, I feel like it's a little bit too close to me. I'd like to be able to move it back a little bit so I've got better visibility down that side. But overall, out the rear, left-hand side, it's really good, and the cameras are good too. The turning circle is good in here, surprisingly good for a car of this size. And with the cameras and that good visibility, parking and manoeuvring is nice and easy. So to sum up with the CX-70, it does make a great family car. You've got an enormous boot that you can easily fit the Thule Twin Urban Glide 3 Pram in, and you've got room in there for shopping, for scooters, all sorts of things that the family love. Child seats fit really nicely in the back, 3 across with good legroom. Now, the drive is quite hard and a little bit noisy, but it's really comfortable for a family. And the media system and cameras are great.